Hello guys, welcome to this new emergency video. So hope you're doing good. I'm actually feeling kind of sick today. Anyway, today we had a big drop on the BTC pair. Okay, so it's not actually just BTC, but it's BTC basically dragging down all the altcoin with it. So if you scroll here, basically all altcoin are in the red today, from 10 to 12 and 20, 25% drop. And yeah, it's pretty normal when you have this kind of price movement in BTC. If you have seen my latest Telegram update, I think it's this one here. So BTC USD update, BTC fell below 10.5k. Actually 10.5k is this purple line of support. We did break it to the downside, and now I basically said we have tested the 21 weekly exponential moving average. Can we bounce from it? So the 21 is exactly at 9,917. So yeah, we this is now a support level, so we didn't break it, at least for now. So one thing I want to point out is the fact that the CME gap is around from 9,900 to 9,750, 9,735 actually. So technically we haven't closed it. So if you go to the CME market cap, CME chart, sorry. So that's the gap we have on the CME. There it is. So basically, if you kind of zoom in, yeah, we kind of touched the gap, okay, where the gap is. But in order to close it, BTC needs to kind of be at around 9,730, something like that. So yeah, we may see another push lower to fill this gap, okay, and then immediately sort of rebounds. But for now, bulls are trying to keep the price above 10k, and that's a great psychological level. Actually, the wrong chart. There it is. So you know my view on this. My fib retracement is actually aligning perfectly where the gap is. The 78.6 is where the gap is. So my view is this: if we don't immediately jump and reverse from here, so basically the BTC price finds the support here on the 21 weekly, and slowly climbs and retests the 12k region and goes to the first target. These are approximately 13,272 and then 14k. If we don't do that, from here I expect at least BTC to fill the CME gap at around this level, 9,700, at around this level basically, and we could actually make a a retest on this triangle formation that we have on a larger big time frame, like a weekly or monthly, like a retest on the trend line. Would be approximately 9,300, something like that. Okay, a retest, if we breach the 21 weekly, could be a thing, so it would mean retesting this region, okay, where BTC went sideways for a couple of weeks. That actually would not surprise me. So basically, I'm bullish, of course, for the long term, but of course, right now everyone is freaking out because basically altcoin are 20% more down movement. And if you want an update on FET, that is actually one of our biggest holding in the Telegram group. Yeah, so basically, the initial call was around 30 cents, and DC all the way up here. Here we had the Bitfinex listing, then BTC started dumping. Okay, so again, if you switch on a weekly chart, I always say just look at the big picture. Do not focus on smaller time frame. I just said it on the Telegram group. If you're not a day trader, if you're not a full-time trader, you should not kind of be upset about this price move. Of course it sucks, guys. Of course it sucks. But I mean, again, if you take the whole fib retracement here, we have perfectly touched the 78.6, 78 of the fib retracement, okay, and that's coincided with the 21 on a weekly time frame. Okay, first target would be 23 cents and then 28 cents. Of course, it will take time, and yeah, for my advice, at least that's what I'm doing. Of course, that's not a financial advice, but that's what I'm doing. I'm just keeping DCA on FET and other altcoin like I always done. And if you DCA all the way up here, I'm at kind of break even right now, guys. Just imagine after this whole drop from 19 cents to this level right here, 66%, almost 70%. I'm at almost break even. Okay, so I'm not worried at all, and this drop is pretty common in the crypto market. If you go and have a look at what the stock market is doing, of course, also the stock market is not performing great. Almost minus 300 points for the Dow, Nasdaq almost 260, 70 points. The S&P it's kind of 47 points. I mean, if you go to the stock market charts, having a pullback, and also this is affecting BTC price. You know, the BTC price highly correlated to the stock market, so it's not surprising me to see, you know, when the stock market dumps, also BTC dumps. Of course, we also have that thing about the CME gap. So I mean, that's kind of whole. To summarize, FET I think is looking. I know it's down like 22-25%, but I still think it's looking strong. Okay, and metal will come out. I think the 9 of September, something like that, where you will have the staking. But for BTC, I mean, it's kind of keeping the support at the 21 level, is keeping the price up, so I'm not worried, at least for now. If we do breach it, I mean a retest at around this zone, of course this would be like here approximately 9.4k, something like that could be a possibility. I think it's also important to mention that the CME futures closed trading this week at a premium at 10.6k. So if BTC does not recover for Monday, we will have a gap, but this time to the upside. And what I want to see here is filling the gap on Sunday, and on Monday a rebounds. We'll have it, time will tell, guys. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, if you haven't, go follow my Instagram page, subscribe to the YouTube channel, leave a like, and see you in the Telegram. The link to join is down below. Peace.